What happens if it's bad, bro?
He might, bro.
So bad.
Elon's out of here, my nigga. He don't care. He's done.
He's done. He just throwing him away like that.
Nigga don't care, bro. We got too much money. He just want to have fun now.
Oh, so we emotionally invested, so it's too late for us. We gotta buy these bags.
That nigga is willing to sell at a loss right now, my nigga. He's tight.
But he can sell at anything, dog.
Goodness gracious, bro.
Boy, trying to drink this agua. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Bro, I'm sorry. I hate crypto now, bro. Because people got me looking at this bid on the wrong time frame charts, man. On the wrong time frame charts. Why am I looking at this at such a like? Look at today's daily chart, bro. Daily candle looks weird.
Stupid, my nigga. Some big doji, some crazy lightsaber joint,
bro. But that's the dojis are supposed to represent reversals. Reversal my ass.
Nah, dojis represent like uncertainty, like you don't know where it's going.
Oh, that's what dojis represent, uncertainty?
Yeah. It's the hammers, them upside down hammers.
Oh, them hammers be
hammers. Those are the ones that's like, oh, it's out of here. Yeah, if you want to go, we can go live, my G.
I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. I've been live.
Oh boy.
Nah, bro. I told you, man. I'm trying to catch the daily close.
All right, let me go live, man.
I'm trying to catch that daily close.
Share this in a Telegram. Excellent connection. Let's see.
PD Crypto, what's up? Yes, bro. Good to see you. Good to see you too. Don Russ, fire sale. Ooh. Don't call it a fire sale. Don't call it a fire sale, boy. It got down there though. Uncertainty. The markets are shaking. The daily. Oh, we got 2 minutes, boy.
Oh, what the hell is this? That ain't the link. I'll tell you that much. Hold up.
And we finna come back to this, but we so far away from 50. Oh, jeez. We got a minute, y'all. We got a minute, y'all. Oh my gosh.
All right. I think I'm straight now.
We finna close the day under. We finna close the week under last week. Oh.
The weekly candle is looking terrible.
Oh, bro, the weekly candle.
Oh yeah. Oh my god.
Bro, don't. Oh, the savagery. But we got 1 minute, and ain't no
not
hope.
even. We got 15 seconds, bro. It's over.
Ain't no hope. Ain't no hope.
It's over. Ain't no two. There you go, back. Crazy.
No. 2, 1. It's a wrap.
All right, there you go.
Well,
lowest weekly candle close we had in a while, actually.
That shit look nasty, bro. Let me pull this weekly for you guys so you guys can see the pain. What
the lowest weekly close we had since our way up, basically.
Since February, since mid-February, bro. So think about that. 6 months of gains. Nah, let me stop saying 6 months.
That's
Like,
like 3 months.
yeah, 3 months of sideways movement, and now we crashing. Wait, bro, I can't wait. I can't wait. You still on a DCA crypto culture? Of course, I'm still on a DCA, man. I mean, we did we hit 100K yet? We ain't hit 100K yet. Okay, we
I ain't gonna
DCAing.
lie, I ain't been DCing in a long time.
Look, bro, I DCA slowly, bro. There's always a
I
DCA
need to
account.
go. I've been talking. My wife actually finally getting in, so we talking about doing a joint portfolio and doing some DCA that way. But generally, I'm just using the money that's already in crypto to trade and stuff and get my bags up. I haven't put money in a minute,
If any, like I said,
but now might be the time.
man, everybody keeps saying buy the dip. Where's this money coming from? Like, where's this?
Yeah, like Anthony Papiano, how many dips can he buy, bro? Like, yo, nah, Anthony Papiano, he's dipset, bro.
Bro, they be lying,
He's
bro.
dipset.
I swear to God, they lying, bro. They lying to their teeth. X
Anthony
Ya Zaza,
Dip,
what's up?
Papiano, set.
What? What are we talking about?
Anthony Dip. Woo! He be grabbing them dips, man. Hey, shout out to Sir Crypto. Hope y'all didn't sleep on Hourglass. I did sleep on Hourglass, but you know what? I don't think it's too late, and I just kind of want to support the boy Trayvon for what he got going on too. So I'm probably gonna scoop me up some Hourglass and just sit on that because um, amongst all of these meme tokens or frictionless tokens, I'll say that they actually got something that's going to try to keep volume trading through that project, which allows people to continue to get rewards, which a lot of these frictionless projects are missing. So he's gonna have some staking and some gamification around it. So I think I'm gonna just grab me a bag to support it and just let it sit. You on mute, bro?
I am on mute. My fault, bro. But my problem with
Yeah.
these frictionless tokens is, yeah, they were like, I don't like tokens that penalize me for using it. Like, what do you mean? Like, am I supposed to hold on to it forever? No, but for real though, like, that's why I don't like those kind of tokens, bro. But they gain appeal because new people come into the market. They don't understand how these tokens work, and they like, oh look, frictionless token. That means that they won't sell and lose their 1% or whatever. No, nigga, they gonna sell regardless. What you talking about?
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. These frictionless, these new ones, they OD and they be like 10%. They be wicked, bro. Like Safe Moon is
10%.
10%, bro.
If you
Meaning
sell
that,
Safe Moon,
bro,
it's 10%.
as you get into Safe Moon, you need 20% gains to break even because you lose 10% on the way in, 10% on the way out. So some of them are outrageous. And the thing is, like, all they got going on is the trading. And that's the problem is that some people just, they don't want to keep trading when they're losing 10%, 5%, whatever the case might be. So
Nah.
these are tokens that help you buy the Bitcoin dip with the 100x gains. That's what my man Sir Crypto is saying. And it's facts, man. That's what happens in altcoin season, man. You run it up and then you just buy the major players. I ain't really the big Bitcoin guy. I'm more like Ethereum, BNB. I do have Bitcoin, but I'm just not the biggest Bitcoin guy. I hope Bitcoin gets flipped straight up. I don't care what does it. I don't care if it's Doge. I don't care if it's ETH, BNB. Somebody got to flip. Yo, XRP to standard, please. Somebody flip
Yo,
Bitcoin
chill
because
out.
I'm just tired.
Out.
I'm tired of this whole Bitcoin is dumping, so everything got to dump. Like I am tired of it,
All
bro.
right, so it sounds like you got too
Tired of
many
it.
altcoins, boy.
Nah, it's
Nah,
not.
you
It's not that.
you
It's just
forgot bear market season. So you over here swimming in gains. You forgot bear market season.
nah. I know what it is. I know what it is. At the end of the day, Bitcoin's down 27%, not ETH, bro. So I'm good. Bitcoin down 21% for the week. Binance Coin down 13%, ETH down 8%, almost 9%. So it's like I ain't tripping being in these alts. I'm kind of good, but
Right
in
now.
comparison to Bitcoin, right now,
Right
when
now.
not?
Right
What
now, what? I say.
Come on, they could be moving slow lately, bro. And you know what? When it finally pumps, what's gonna happen? 20%, 30%. Oh my God, Bitcoin is going crazy. Next thing you know, 100% in the past month. BNB, 200% going crazy. Like, that's just the bull. That's what happens during the bull run. Bitcoin's good for the bear market, bro.
I don't know, bro. I don't know. I've got a very heavily proportionalized portfolio
You
of.
got a traditional portfolio, bro.
I got heavy. Let's see, heavy on the Bitcoin. Then I got a heavy on that rap Bitcoin because I don't like moving out of. I ain't gonna lie, I be getting scared on this rap Bitcoin. I'm like, what if the rap Bitcoin loses its peg? It's a
What if it
wrap.
unwraps? Yo, I
Imagine.
mean,
Oh, bro.
I don't know, man. I'm not trying to bash Bitcoin, but it's like, bro, let's be real. How can we be so invested in a technology that doesn't upgrade in a way that we notice? Like, yeah, it has improvement proposals and stuff like that, but it doesn't do any upgrades that we really notice. What's the last upgrade you know about with Bitcoin?
Man, I know.
In technology, we do that. In technology, it just don't sound right to me. Like, so I'm not saying I'm against it. I'm just like, yo, bro, I'm okay with something else being the standard, bro.
My dog said I'm okay with something else being the standard. I'm fine with
So
that.
if Elon is dumping all his money in Doge, you know where I'm headed.
Hey, get him out of here. Hey, get him out of here. Somebody good in this chat. Get him out of here, bro. Ain't nobody want this.
Hey, Rashad asked if I got glass. Nah, I didn't get glass yet. I'm gonna get glass. I
I'd
know.
get
I'm gonna
glass
get
if I
it.
was on Binance Smart Chain. I'd get glass. Y'all get rich without me, man. Now you about to send me some BNB because I ain't getting on the Binance exchange. That's for sure.
Hey, man, you don't like gains, man.
I don't like gains, bro. I don't like gains.
You
Nah,
want you
nah.
want a DCA.
I want a DCA. I want to be rich in the ninth inning when everything's all said and done, and my grandma and my mom and my sister's mom and my brother's mom starts asking me about what's this Bitcoin stuff and how can I get
Oh
on
boy.
Uniswap. As soon as they start doing that, I'm out. I'm selling it all, dog. Selling, gone,
I feel you though.
gone.
I feel you.
Get me a nice
Hey
little
man,
island.
I ain't gonna lie. I've been looking at a couple ETH gems recently though. So I'll start showing those in a sec.
What ETH
I
gems you over
definitely
here? You over here getting ETH gems?
I've been getting into some Ethereum projects lately, and I
That's
haven't been trading on Ethereum a lot because just the gas really frustrates me, bro.
Yeah,
And then
after coming back for them penny fees, you over
yeah,
here.
and honestly, like with V3, it's just not like fully like vetted out yet. So it just a couple transactions failed on me. I'm like, damn, that's $80. Just
Nah,
like that.
what I didn't like about V3, I had to start unlocking tokens again. I ain't like that. I ain't like that at all with V3. I'm like, what you no go back to V, and I don't like the fact that it doesn't let me go back to V2 sometimes.
Yo,
Yo,
that shit
have you
is
been seeing
crazy.
that? You
I haven't noticed it like that because I only did a few trades, but that I
nah.
do. I did notice the approving joint again though.
So you have to like, cause I don't know what it
Oh
is.
shit,
I'm
going
guessing
crazy.
V3 is a brand new smart contract because I have to give it permission again, and I'm like, bruh, not with these gas fees right now. Not with these gas fees. Am I gonna have to let you guys permission all these tokens again? And it forces you to automatic. And you know how Uniswap is. It's gonna force you to go automatically to V3. So I don't know, man. I might, you know what I'm saying. Uniswap is nice. I'm gonna hold on to it. Did you see how what's his name? Vitalik was talking about how Uniswap the token needs to become an Oracle token.
Oh really?
Yeah, he was talking about because he out here trying to put a little bit of that chain link competition out there. He's like, yeah, man, Uniswap needs to become an Oracle token because Chainlink can't be the only trusted oracles we got out here for real, for real. But you try to keep it decentralized, try to keep it competitive and whatnot. And what is it? I don't even think Chainlink. I don't think Uniswap, the exchange, uses Chainlink oracles as like price feeds. I think they have their own oracles, bruh. I think they always had their own oracles.
Same. Kenzie, volume really low. Let me put you up a little bit. Let me know if it's a little better. Should
Is
be a little bit better.
is my volume low on my side, guys? Let me know. Kind of agree with Loki on this. I was optimistic and I bought SHIB, and wow. Yeah, you have to adjust your slippage by 2 to 5% to set the appropriate gray, or it'll prevent a transaction fail. Yeah, what isn't it? Isn't that how SHIB works?
Um, yeah, I think it's one of them slippage joints. So
So
damn, I'm
like you
trying.
can't really sell like that. You have to put your
Yo, that hourglass is at an all-time high over here, man.
now.
Shout out to everybody that's in it. While we in this bearish little situation, hourglass at an all-time high, and I had seen that some mega whale dumped like a good portion of his bag,
Last
and
week, I
really
remember that.
almost
I saw that last week.
yeah, a couple days ago, he tried to really dump on this joint. Was it? I don't know if it's
What?
this candle or if it's this
What are you
one.
watching that on?
Um, See, you gotta find these Binance joints. It's a KuCoin.app. You know what I'm saying? That's where we look at the charts on Binance Smart Chain. KuCoin, Bond, which is Bogged, and Dex Guru. Those are like the three joints that we use.
KuCoin
To
app.
Yeah, and then you paste the contract, you know what I'm saying, which you could get from CoinGecko. CoinGecko makes it look like it's down 99% for the day. So people is probably looking at this like,
No.
oh, look at this coin, it's down 99%. And if you go to the actual chart, it's at its all-time high right now. So definitely, definitely go do your own research, man.
Hey
Don't
man,
just
drop
look at
links.
stuff. Don't just look at stuff and just, shrug it off just like that.
Hey man, find that. Drop them links. Drop them links in the chat, man. Cause I'm
Drop
scared.
the links.
I just typed something in and it sent me to something I ain't like seeing. So I had to exit out of it. Bro, I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. I put something in, bro. It sent me to some stuff. Bro, I had to go. I just typed something in and it sent me to
Yo,
something.
hey,
Bro, I'm
shout out to
telling you.
Pseudo Greek.
I had to
I could, I
go.
will. Benoit, Rashad was goody, Crypto Droid. Shout out to everybody in here, man. Thanks for coming through. Hey, I've been getting the battery in my back about this content, man. Too many people is just on my back, so I'm gonna just try to stream at least. I'm just try to stream at least, man. Yo, so let me get into some
Yeah.
some gems, man.
Get into them
Um,
gems.
so I got one that took a hit today, but it's kind of bouncing back. Um, this Elixir Finance. So with this whole Uniswap V3 thing, um, this really has the potential to be the next Wi-Fi. Because the way that Uniswap V3 works, it's supposed to give you a couple of options when you're providing liquidity that'll prevent you from getting too much in permanent loss and to maximize your gains on collecting fees and stuff. But the problem is you have to actually do it manually. You have to set a range on what you're okay with, um, basically, so that you don't get hit with the IL too much. So you could say like, yo, as long as Tether stays at $1 and ETH stays at 3,500 between this range, I'm good. Keep me in here. And then if not, you get stopped out. But what Elixir Finance is doing is they're actually moving your liquidity automatically, saving you gas fees so you don't have to do it manually, and putting it into the most optimized ranges for those pools. So it's kind of like what Wi-Fi had going on, but really updated for what's going on Uniswap V3. I know it's a little bit confusing, but when you really look into it, this is the standard stuff that people are going to be getting into. And right now, this is extremely low market cap of 13 million.
Jesus, yeah, it
So
is.
yeah, so I had jumped into this joint, and then it ran up, and then it came down, and then I loaded up some more again. So I'm
When'd you
definitely gonna
first
be
get
holding
into
on to
it?
this one. Just the other day, $9. and now it's $15, but it had hit like $26, $27, and then some whale, and there's only like 500 or so holders. Some whale dumped like $300,000 worth, a little less than that. Today he must have panic sold or something. It's really stupid.
Jesus.
It's so early to be to have that much money in and to be dumping. You know what I'm saying? Now he's stuck with like the rest of his bag. He can't even dump. Otherwise, he's coming out at a loss. So hopefully he just does dump and get out of here, so we don't have to worry about these whales anymore. But for the short term, but nonetheless, I do think that this is definitely like a 20 to a 100x project, potentially, as long as everything goes well. And apparently, some of the team members come from I forgot what some of the big name projects were, but some of the big name DeFi projects as well. So I'm definitely looking forward to this thing doing some serious work, and they're going live with their first few pools next week. So let's see what happens with that. I got one more gem I definitely want to share for a coin that's not even out yet, but a project that is, and that is um, charged.fi, charged.fi. This is charged particles. Now, this is a project that you're able to actually create NFTs with ERC20 tokens behind it. You know what I'm saying? You're able to charge them in a sense with ERC20 tokens. So this kind of reminds me of Engine, like how Engine you build your 1155 tokens, but this is going to make it so that they're saying you could have integration with Aave for DeFi assets, so you'll be able to earn like yields with NFTs, bro, with NFTs. So you got artists and creators that are creating NFTs with charged assets, and you could potentially, get passive income while holding the NFT, which is interesting. So their coin has not come out yet. They do have a live app to trade NFTs and stuff like that already. But when the coin comes out, they already were oversubscribed. They were trying to raise $1 million. They raised like 20. So I do expect this thing to pop up very fast. Something to definitely pay attention to. So those are two ETH gems for y'all right there, man. Two ETH gems.
And now, how did you find these gems? Go through the process of how you found these gems.
I think I've seen these from other, gem callers. I follow a lot of gem callers. I try to narrow down my research by just following gem callers and doing research after they call them. There's no need to be the cool guy that uh, knows how to do research from scratch, which I do a lot of times. But if you can just do research by setting your notifications and seeing what 10, 20 projects you get notified about and just looking into them, every single day or every couple of days or once a week or whatever the case might be, that should be enough for you. You know what I'm saying? There's enough people that are doing the research that you don't have to do the research from scratch. So I follow Infinity Gains. I follow some of the fellow YouTubers like Sir Crypto. That's my, as far as I see, that's like my man's right there. I see Sir Crypto be talking about some gems. There's a lot of them. I follow a lot of them, bro. I follow a lot of them, and I just see what they're talking about, and then I do research on them. As far as doing my own research, it's mainly through Twitter, just going through cash tags, seeing what other people are talking about, and just deep diving through the research. Sometimes I get suggested profiles. I click on those. I see what those are about. Do research like that. I seen somebody, he does his research by running some type of script for every token that gets listed on like Pancake or generated. And like if there's enough transaction volume going on, that's when they start doing their research. Like people do all types of crazy stuff. I'm not into it that deep. I could go based off of fellow YouTubers, fellow Twitter influencers or Reddit. Oh, and then TikTok. I've been on TikTok lately. I decided let me stop being an old man. Let me not even let me not even hold out. Let me jump on TikTok. And I found gems on TikTok, man. Made some gains a couple times in the past week, just off of TikTok from these kids just looking through through hashtags actually on TikTok for like Safe Moon or SHIB. I'll just look at those cash tags. I will type in crypto pre-sale, stuff like that. Very, very common stuff that other people are also looking for, and just search them gems, man.
Bet. Hey, before we go any further, what's going on with these likes though? Like, what's up with the free tax, bro? What's up with the free tax? Let's get these likes. I got 33 people in here. We what, bro? Bro, I got how many in his chat? Bro, I got 15, 16 people in here, man. Y'all stop playing, man. Get the likes up, please. And thank you. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. And let me know if y'all can still hear low key. I've been messing with the sound so that way he doesn't sound like all extra echoey. That you guys are telling me he sounded echoey in the background.
Yeah, Sir Crypto said, imagine if you could charge your imagine if VV only NFTs can merge with charged particles. Yeah, bro, that'd be insane. Like they was gonna, bro. Honestly, I think that this is gonna be a big deal for. It's gonna give people a reason to hold on to NFTs, to have NFTs. You know, to be able to support an artist or a creator, but still earn a yield on top of it. You know what I'm saying? Especially if those coins that it's charged with are gaining value, you know that your NFT is gaining value regardless. You know what I'm saying? So I'm definitely liking how this one is looking. I seen another one for Polkadot for I think it was P Node. You follow any Polkadot stuff, man? What you on? What you on, bro? I don't know what you. I don't know what you looking at, bro.
Who, me?
Yeah, I don't know what you looking at, man. I'm
Man,
not
bro,
y'all.
I am very PG. I am looking at nothing. I am being very conservative, bro. I am
All
chilling
right,
on my.
so
So for the most part, let me actually see my bags, bro.
that's what I was about to say. So shout out to Sir Crypto, man. Yo, I really appreciate Sir Crypto being consistent, growing his channel out here, really
I
representing
see, bruh.
representing us out here, man. Um, I'm done being PG. I realize that nobody wants that anymore. I'm done talking about the big major coins only. I'm gonna start talking about all the new stuff, putting my disclaimers out there, and coming out here more stuff that has 50x potential, but also potential to get wrecked. I'm putting them out there. I'm talking about them, and y'all gonna see me a lot more, man. For real. I know I say that a lot, but my whole dilemma I faced was the potential of people losing money on some of these calls, felt, a little disheartening for me. I don't
Yeah.
care no more. I don't care no more.
You savage.
Nobody else cares. Everybody's like, bro, we know it's up to us. If we lose money, we lose money, but we want to know where to look. People don't be knowing where to look. So that's it. I'm gonna start doing my 10x gems, 50x gems, 100x gems. I'm gonna start doing them videos, man.
I ain't gonna lie. I've been holding on
See
to
low
this.
key next month. Yeah, you know how it goes, bro. Every week I'm like, yeah, man, I'm just gonna do it. But that's my biggest dilemma is that. So yeah, you might not catch me every day. I'm gonna try to though. I did a couple things by myself, like challenges and stuff like that for myself to just personal stuff. Um, like trying to be consistent with things. Like that's what I'm
Hmm.
trying to read books about that and stuff like that too. So I'm really working on movements for myself to really help myself get consistent again. So trust me, I'm not just chatting. I'm really trying to figure out what it is that's holding me back. I think it's the gains. I think it's just doing research and getting gains and looking for the next gem. It just makes me not want to put effort into YouTube for the small monetization that I get. But real talk, when I do YouTube, I get more information flowing to me. And I just like rocking with more crypto people. It feels good to have people to talk to about crypto. So,
Yeah,
man,
nah. This is what I've been looking at too. You know, I'm a real big gamer type dude, and so I've been DCAing into this ILV recently. I've been DCAing heavy into that because I've been watching its chart. I don't even know how to say the name right, so I just say ILV. I've been watching its chart for like the
don't get go.
past, huh?
Illuvium?
Yeah, Alluvia.
All
So
right.
it's pretty much is going to be like an RPG game on ETH. So you got like the little video game vibe on it. But I've been DCing into it since like let me see when the first time I DCA'd into it. Around
That's
like
a really nice picture. Yeah.
I've been doing it since like April 13th ish. Yeah, about April 13th ish. Slowly been accumulating. been accumulating for about a month. So hopefully this pops off against ETH. It looks like it's, done its sell off. But to be real, a lot of these coins, if you start looking at a lot of these coins versus ETH, boy, these things look savage, destroyed against ETH. They don't even look that bad against like Bitcoin, but when it looks bad against ETH, I'd be like, ugh. But it looks like it did its bottom against ETH. And so now I'm just waiting on, the nice little pump, because everything pumps eventually.
They got some good partners over here. This might be a little something, for when the games take a long time to develop, though, man. That's the thing. Like, they take a really long time to develop, and that's the only problem I be having. Like, the engine games, like, are they really, popping off like that? Like, I barely see them really releasing how I thought they would be releasing. UOS, where are they with their stuff? You know what I mean? Like, it's taking a long time. Ultra, Ultra?
Oh, bro, do you remember? I remember Ultra.
Yeah.
I like this elixir, though.
Shout out to Internet Guy. He said he just subscribed. We need that raw, high risk reward combos, man. That's facts, man. We just gonna get to it, man. I'm just gonna be just talking that talk, man. Everyone wants top tier degen, bro. Due diligence and risk management is a must, but pump out the content. Yeah, shout out to Sir Crypto, man. For real, I'm a really that's what it is. I'm done talking about these big projects. These big projects boring too, man. I don't want to talk about Polkadot. Like, I'm good, bro. I don't want to talk about Polkadot, bro. I want to talk about.
You want to talk about this coin that's gonna save the world?
I want to talk about Polkadot. I want, you know what I mean? Some. That's not a real project. It might be. That's not a real project, but I want to talk about something that's really hit. You know what I'm saying? After all the dog coins,
somebody put it on my chat. Has anyone seen that Pull Together No Loss Lottery will now be enabled on XDAI chain? Yeah, I saw that. They're on Matic too, though. That's the thing. Let me see if the tokens been sitting pretty low down here in the 33 millions, but I ain't mad at it though.
I got out of this joint around like $40.
You crazy, boy. What happens when it pops back up to $40? That's an easy double.
To break even. That's like,
not if you've been DCAing like me. Now I'm waiting for the Coinbase listing. F all that.
Coinbase listings ain't been doing much.
What? Have you seen
they ain't
RLC,
been doing much
bro?
lately.
Bro,
RLC did go crazy, man.
Bro, you ain't see RLC? RLC
went crazy real quick.
Bruh.
Real quick, though.
Yeah. I'm listening.
Big projects are for leverage trading. That's kind of true.
Yeah, big projects are for leverage trading, but hold up. You said real quick, what happened? You were going to say something.
I already forgot. Dang.
Yeah, because I was saying that
too.
I'm not going to lie. RLC, I'm over here watching y'all make money off these poop coins. RLC came through in the clutch and saved me.
Oh my god,
bro!
Yeah, man,
RLC came through the clutch
and sharing coins, bro. Yo, listen up. I'm done with it. I'm done with all of that. Y'all want to make science coin that's going, track DNAs and this and that, or computer sharing data, cloud, whatever. I'm done with them coins, my G. I want strictly DeFi. I want meme tokens. I don't know why people think that. Yo, why do people think meme tokens are a fad, bro? Like, no, there's gonna be meme tokens in this space that last the test of time. That's what Dogecoin is. It's always been a page one coin. It's just recently that during the bull market, it's had more traction than anything else because of TikTokers and then Elon Musk jumping on the wave. But at the end of the day, Vitalik sending over them meme coins for a donation for COVID, that's bullish. That is not a shot at meme coins. That's him saying there's value in this. People have value in this, and I'm making a donation to go help people. That's how I see it, at least. And secondly, it's not new. Last year it was food. This year it's animals. That's all the only difference. Last year it was yam, it was sushi, right? Look what sushi became. Look what sushi became. It was pancake. Look what pancake became. It was food last year. Now it's animals for some reason. It's SHIB. It's Doge. Those are the ones. That's meme tokens become stuff after a while. They start off with a whole bunch of traction and hype, and then once they got enough funding, they start building these whole ecosystems around it. Sushi, you remember sushi drug laws going on last year? That was crazy. Sushi when the main dev dumped his whole bag and still came back, and look at sushi now. It's one of the top projects.
Yeah, because
So
Wi-Fi took it over. Wi-Fi did
is
take
it?
it. Yeah, they took it over, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh yeah,
I
yeah,
got
yeah,
I
they
got a
did.
random phantom airdrop because of Wi-Fi. I don't know why. I must have did something on sushi because I was like, wait a second, why'd I get this random airdrop on Phantom? Because you know the whole sushi community, they're heading towards like the Phantom layer two. Because you know each part of DeFi is choosing their own direction. So like how
Right.
Bro said was saying in my chat, anyone see that pull together is enabled on XDAI. They've been enabled on XDAI for a while, but nobody's using it. That's my only problem with it is that nobody's using it. Everybody's
What
on Matic
XDAI?
right now.
Why would you use XDAI?
Every,
Like
everybody's on Matic.
seriously, we went over this already.
We
Why
did.
would anybody use XDAI if the XDAI token is not what's used to pay for transactions? It's just strictly for governance. Using DAI tokens, why would I ever want to use a stable coin as the coin that powers the network? You're getting no gains from that happening. Whereas with Matic or Polygon, however you want to call it, or BNB or Ethereum or Avalanche or Solana, these are the coins that you pay for transactions on a network. It gives it an actual value. I don't want to replace that with a stable coin. I want that coin to be looked at as, yo, this is the heart of this ecosystem. So it needs to, push the network higher as more people are using it. But if it's a stable coin, then what are we doing? Is it losing value? We know what's going on with stable coins and US dollars losing value. So that's what I see as the problem with XDAI. And that's why people are not going to go over there because they're not trying to make DAI the heart of the ecosystem and then a separate stake token to do governance with. Like, I'd rather use Harmony One or Polygon or Binance Smart Chain or Avalanche or Solana or whatever it is. So many of them popping
There's
off, bro.
so many of them popping off now. My the thing is when they originally came out, they used XDAI. They used DAI so that way they could give DAI like a liquidity kind of platform. You know what I'm saying? Like giving DAI some type of liquidity, and that way when you transact, you're still doing like pennies on transactions still, of course.
Yeah.
Because like I remember I put in $20 in DAI a year ago. I've got $19 in DAI on XDAI, just chilling there,
So
bro.
insane.
And I'm like,
But
I've done transactions. I've done like sizable transactions on XDAI, and my thing is just like I don't see like no Twitter no Twitter dev talking about it. Barely any Twitter devs talking about it whatsoever. And I'd be like, follow, at the end of the day, follow the market. You know what I'm saying? If the market's leaning towards Phantom, if the market's leaning towards Matic,
Phantom.
you gotta follow the market. You know what I'm saying? So that's why a lot of the stuff that I've been planning to do for the rest of the month really is just straight up like tutorials on how to bridge here, how to do that, because people still don't know how to do it. People still don't know how to bridge to Matic. People still don't know how to do that.
Yeah, I mean it's so easy now. You could definitely do a tutorial video showing people how to do all that stuff, but the main thing is just go to that one website. I'll find it again and show it eventually where you can just add all of them with the click of a button. And they got it on like CoinMarketCap, I think, where you can just add like the Matic to your MetaMask with like the click of a button, bro. And that's it. Just make sure you go on Binance or whatever website that sells Matic and and just send it to your wallet, and you're good to go. You locked into the ecosystem now. It's really not tricky anymore to the point where we see what's happening with SafeMoon. You know how many new kids is coming through and using Trust Wallet and getting onto Binance Smart Chain? They got over 2 million wallet holders, bro. 2
Yeah, I've been
million.
seeing. So with Trust Wallet, you can buy BNB directly.
I think so. They have I forgot what the name of the fiat on ramp is, but yeah, you can buy it directly on
And Trust
Trust
Wallet doesn't
Wallet.
have
So
any
it's like
KYC.
I don't know. I don't buy
Mm.
it through there. I use Binance.com. You know what I'm saying? I just
Oh,
VPN,
you
boom,
want a
Binance.
DM? You want a DM?
Yeah.
Hey guys.
How high
I'm just
can Matic
playing.
go? People calling $10 on Matic.
What was that?
Um, he's saying how high can Matic go? People are calling $10 on Matic. Yo, let me tell you something, guys. Like, yo, I remember, yo, that guy Chico, man. He drew people away from a lot of good projects, bro. Matic was one he was really going hard on. You know what I mean? Making it seem like it was gonna be garbage. Matic is top 20 right now.
Matic is
He
mooning, bro.
very recently he was talking about Doge always finds its way back under a penny. Okay, really? Let's see what happened now because it's far from a penny right now. You know what I'm saying? Meanwhile, telling dudes about XDie. Bro, I'm you gotta follow the trends, bro. For everybody that's listening, man, like yo, follow the trends, bro. Seriously, like right now, the trend is your friend, not just in technical analysis, but also in the fundamental analysis as well. If everybody's talking about Doge, it's gonna pump. If everybody's talking about SafeMoon, it's gonna pump. Everybody is talking about SHIB, it is going to pump. When a million people are talking about something, literal million, because you got 2 million holders for SafeMoon, when you got a million people talking about something, it's gonna pump. That's just simple. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not saying that you should go ahead and FOMO into a bunch of stuff, but make sure you look into it when you hear the hype. Why not? But the real trick is to just see the traction early on, how fast it's growing, and get in early. You know what I'm saying? Oh, and Chico hates Binance. Yeah, and Binance.
Bruh, they
Binance.
thrashing you in the chat right now. Following
Don't
trends will
care.
leave you holding the bag.
Yeah,
Have you
don't
heard about
care.
Kishinev? Terrible advice. Kishinu. Bro, that's oh my god, there's more dog coins. Like, I'm just waiting
Yeah,
for the
not
dog
telling
coin
people to
DeFi coin. I'm waiting for the
yeah,
dog coin exchange.
not telling people to just jump in to every single trend. You should do your research
What's
when
good,
something
Dorian?
is trending. Do your research when something is trending. Don't just, shy away from it because you're used to the market being one way. This market is evolving like crazy. So when you see something trending, do research on it. Don't shy away from it just because you feel away because last year things were different. Nah, do the research on it. No reason not to do research.
And the thing
Binance.
is,
Oh my
like, just
god.
with these dog tokens, bro, these meme dog tokens, bro, real talk, like the money was made like last month.
Yeah, nah, it was stupid.
Because if you were in these things last month, bro, this thing is at like, this thing's not even like, oh my god. But the thing is, this is gonna get tiring for people. People are gonna start realizing like, yeah, this is cool, but this is never gonna go to $1 because of X, Y, and Z and X, Y.
They don't even want it to go to a dollar. They want it to go to a penny.
Go to a penny. Is that what this one is? Go to a penny?
Which one is that one? Depends.
It's Kishini Inu.
Oh, I don't know. You see, I don't tell you the honest truth. I'm not in none of those joints. I caught a couple sniper entries for some of the ones that was, popping up real quick. But I'm talking about in and out within hours. Just a little degenerate, small bag, risky play. But I don't hodl those to be completely honest. But from what I'm seeing, on Shib and stuff like that, what? Check Sir Crypto's video. I think we made like 600 racks or something like that on Shib. Come on, man. Let's be real, man. Like the money is there, bro. 600 racks, my man made. Y'all wanted to see, y'all. Come on. Let's be
I ain't gonna
real,
lie to you,
bro. Y'all
bro.
really want
I
to
had
not look into that?
I ain't even for to hold you, bro. I had one dude just got back into crypto. Told me he put $100 and something dollars, paid like $80 in transaction fees. I was like, damn, you bought this at 100, bruh. Bruh had like 30 racks in Shiba Inu, bro. From that
This is what I'm
$100,
saying.
from a
But
hundred
because
dollars, bro.
we too smart. We too smart. We talk about hash rates and stuff. We don't want to look at it. We don't want to at least look at it. If a brand new person that has not been in crypto comes around and talks about a project that you haven't looked into, that is a signal to look into it. That means that there's a multitude of people in the background that brought this to his attention, his or her attention. If a brand new person is coming in and they're like, "Hey, have you heard of Shiba?" You should be like, "Nah, I haven't. Let me look that up." Instead of, "Nah, man, stay away from that." After you look it up, you could tell them that if you feel like, yo, that's dangerous. I personally wouldn't get into it or whatever, but at least look into it, man. Like, why can't we just look into stuff?
But
But
yeah,
that's the cult part of crypto, man. We like to play in our spaces.
yeah, that's how it be though. Anthony was just asking about XDI, bro. We literally just talked about XDI for like 5 to 10 minutes.
Yeah,
Sir, what's with the spamming? What's going on here? What's going on here? I'm gonna have to put you in timeout because you out here spamming. You can't be doing that,
Telcoin. My man's had diamond hands on Telcoin, bro. He bought it when
bro.
it was
Bro, he's
one. I
Telcoin
think
diamond hands.
Yeah, he got diamond hands on Telcoin, bro. Bought it when it first dropped and rode it out through the whole bear market back up to these all-time highs, bro.
Bro, at that point, you just forget about a coin and then you come back rich.
Right, right,
Dead
right.
ass.
Hey,
It's up another 11% today. I can't even be mad at people. But that's my problem. I think you know what you think I had the problem now is because I remember I had a couple of coins that I just forgot about, came back to them, a huge bag just sitting there, right? Now I'm over here putting like $500 bags into coins, watching it every day. And I'm like, I can't be doing
I
that no more,
know.
bro.
I
Because
don't like
if
that
I did like the
feeling.
100 bag and forgot about it, you know what I'm saying? Psst, stupid. So I don't know. I gotta be better. I gotta be better with that.
I put a small bag into Panther Swap for anybody that's just wondering about different projects. I put a small bag, very small bag into Panther Swap for just farming, like $1,000. Um, and I'm just gonna let it sit and every day collect $20 and just re up on that every day. And if things are continuing to go well, I'll add another thousand in or maybe a little bit more than that. But Panther Swap is one of these farm projects that seems to be delivering very fast. They already got their own AMM. Their lottery was live from like day like 3 or something like that. And they got their first IPO going on, which is like the pancake um, initial farming offering, the IFOs. This is an IPO, so this is like initial Panther offering, I guess,
So it's literally
which is going to be
IPO,
the
like the regular ones.
right. It's the letters IPO, man. So they got one coming out for Auto Shark, which is one of these pancake bunny forks, kind of like a beefy finance situation. But they're going to plan to be on multiple platforms, like not just Binance Smart Chain. They're going to have, start off with a farm or one of those, whatever you call them, auto staking for Panther. So that's pretty cool. So I just see that these guys move very fast. I caught some good gains on this project, like a 5x. I got out and now I'm getting back in and just going to be farming for the long term. So that's what I'm on with Panther. Just putting that out there. Like I said, I'm giving out them joints now, man. I ain't
When you
playing
get
no
into
more, man.
Panther at?
Yo, you wanna know what? I first got into Panther at 23 cents.
You
I
did tell
seen it
me
go
about the
down.
100x you missed out on.
Yeah, I missed out on 100x on Panther. I got in at 23 cents, was farming crazy. The APR was insane. It went down to 3 cents. I was sick, but I stayed in it, kept farming. and then I got out around 50 cents, and then I watched it within a day go to $5. So yeah, sick, sick.
Oh my god, I
But yeah, I
can't
got
do
a
it.
name like a 4X. I'm cool with that. I got like a 4 and change X, so I'm pretty cool with that based on what I was able to farm and the price appreciation.
My dog said he good. Singularity Net AI. I haven't heard Singularity Net in so long. AGI Singularity Net down 8% today.
So they're talking in my chat about like just getting into like, sketchy projects versus like, long-term valuable projects.
Well, how
I
do you
guess
tell the
that's
difference?
all.
How do you tell the difference
That's what
between
I
a
was
sketchy
about to
project?
say. That's what I was about to say. So there's a lot of different things that people use as indicators to what's sketchy or not really like worth getting into. And obviously audits are a big thing, hacking, CerTic, and a couple other audits. Of course, the ability to rug, so having team tokens locked and stuff like that, depending on what kind of project it is, having ownership renounced. Those types of things are definitely indicators that people are looking for to know that, okay, at least I'm somewhat safe. Somewhat. It's still risky because you don't know what other stuff could be in the code that could be tapped into. But me, I'm tokens into an NFT, and it's going to be able to integrate with projects like Aave. Those are huge DeFi projects. I just showed you guys Licks, which is something that has to do with Uniswap V3 pools and making sure that you're not getting hit with impermanent loss and aggregating your liquidity into the right range, because the whole V3 thing is completely different. So there's always going to be valuable projects that's worth getting into for the long run. But then there's other ones, and you shouldn't ignore those either. That's all that I'm on. I'm on everything. I've always been on everything, but now I'm gonna start talking about them. That's it. That's the only difference. When low key coin, you muted. You muted, my G. Kenzie, you muted, bro.
God, why do I keep doing that to myself? But no,
I don't
somebody said
know.
sorry about before. Yeah, don't worry about it. There's no spamming.
Yeah. So what's up? Though?
bruh, bruh,
Where the
somebody,
skills
hey,
in the
dog,
chat?
bruh, Don Russ in the chat talking about I had to get out of low key chat. They on some cult ish over there. DJ cult.
Oh, DJ Cole. I was about to say mine. If anything, see,
You on
that's
the
what people
DJ
don't understand.
cult?
Let me tell you something. The DJs are the ones that are the only ones that are not cult like, because they hold the strong projects for the long term, but they use the DGen projects to accumulate and move fast. It'd be the other people that be maximalists and like, I don't want to touch that. I don't want to get involved with that. And meanwhile, some of these projects, they doing real things out here. Look at FEG. Fire what they doing. Somebody been telling me about it in the show stream. I looked at it, I said, I was in my too good to be in this type of stuff. Turned $500 into at one point 100 racks, bro. And they doing something that's really dope.
Oh
They're
my
making you,
god.
allowing you to stake and transfer or wrap tokens and make them frictionless. So they're wrapping BNB, they're wrapping ETH, they're wrapping Cosmos, they're wrapping all these tokens, and now everybody that's transacting with those, you're automatically getting a small kickback on them, just like a RFI type technology. So it's like,
I like
bro,
that.
that's
That's
a
that's a
real
pretty good idea.
exactly.
That's a
And
pretty good
at
idea. I'm
first it just looks like a meme coin, but if you look into it, you find out like, yo, there's more going on with it, and they have now their own exchange and everything. So it's like, yo,
But
sometimes you
it's easy
just
to make
gotta
these
look
dexes
into it.
out. But it's easy to make these dexes now, though.
It is. It is. But when you got a product like that tagged along with it, that's pretty cool. It's at least worth looking into. But if you just don't look into it because you're like, feed every gorilla, how many coins is this? A quadrillion? Nah, man, I don't mess with this project. Meanwhile, they doing some real building
Oh my
in the
god!
background.
Why is everything? It's my only problem with a lot of this stuff, and Scotty P in the chat talking about, but everybody got to stay in their comfort zone. Exactly, everybody does got to stay in
That
their
is a
comfort
fact.
zone. But you know what I'm saying. Just going back to this fag. Like my thing is unit bias is such a big thing in crypto because we got so many new people coming in. Every time I see something that's like real unit biasy, it's almost like you guys want the volatility. You guys want the new people to come in and FOMO into this, right? And it just,
Yeah.
and I'm like, you don't gotta trick people to get in, but boy, I ain't gonna lie, bro. A lot of these less than a penny coins, they went crazy. Just like, but my thing is, everything has their season in crypto. Everything has their season.
Bro,
What
what is wrong with
NFTs
any of
was
that?
like?
Look,
NFTs was like the first 3 months of the year. NFTs, and
yeah.
then now it's meme coins. Hey, get. We trying to send this coin to half of a cent. Let's do it.
So look, I agree with your man's about staying in your comfort zone. I'm not encouraging people to start doing what they wouldn't do. But what the one thing I will encourage is to research because in crypto, bro, it's a bunch of millennials and even Gen Zs and you know there's other generations in there. So a lot of these things come out and they're called pancake swap. But look at what pancake is. You know what I'm saying? So like when you just hear that and you hear a crazy APR, you're like, oh, nah, I'm not getting involved with that. Look what pancake is, bro. You know what I'm saying? So it's like just don't shy away from the research just because the name of it or whatever the case might be. I personally haven't done research on shit and stuff, but ecosystem brewing in the background for all I know. You know what I mean? So just don't shy away from the research. After you do the research now, then you can say this is not the type of stuff I get into, or oh snap, it is the type of stuff I get into. They're building actual DeFi products that are here sustainable, like sushi. You know, sushi was looked at as pure garbage when it first came out, bro. Pure garbage,
Garbaggio.
garbage, bro, garbage. You know what I'm saying? But look what it is now. It's a true DeFi player in the space, bro. True DeFi player. You know, so I just say do the research and then decide. Don't decide before the research even happens. You know that's backwards in my opinion. You know, but I do agree. You know, stay in your comfort zone in terms of what you're investing in. So after you do the research and you say, "Nah, this is just some meme nonsense," yeah, definitely stay wherever you like to invest. As far as the unit bias thing, um, bro, just last year, Matic was under a penny.
It
Matic
was.
was under a penny, bro.
Bro, what are you
Matic
talking
about to
about?
hit $2.
January Matic was like 2 cent.
He about to hit $2 on Matic. So it's like the unit thing, like yo, bro, none of this stuff is relevant to value in projects, bro. In terms of the name, the image, the units, it's all about what they're building. You know what I'm saying? Like at the end of the day, the hype. If you want to degen it out, that's up to you. You know what I mean? I definitely degen it out sometimes. You know, maybe a little bit more than others. I do it with the one size trading bag that I don't like to tap into my long term holdings to play with. You know, so I got a trading bag to do that with. And I still do a lot of research before I get into the quote unquote degen stuff. I'm still long term believer in ETH. I'm still long term believer in BNB. And even with BNB, I'm kind of like sometimes skeptical. I'm really more long term into whatever else is going to be the more decentralized EVM or layer two,
Hey,
like
hold up.
Matic.
Hold up. One, hey, Don Russ, don't be deleting comments. I saw the comment. It wasn't a bad comment. Two, Malcolm Rex put, hell, I put money in Algo. I'm living off a wing and a prayer.
Yeah,
Yo, bro, Kenny is I'm living off a wing and a prayer, bro.
bro.
And then Don Russ was talking about how, these coins, popping off 500% and all this, but are these coins good for the space? You know what I'm saying? Like, are these coins, are they worth it? You know?
What? Like, what's good for the space? How? Who are we to be the guys that's like, this is no good for the space? This is good for the space. Like, bro, it's 10,000 coins out there, bro. So if a few of them pop off, they pop off. Like, good for the space? Yes, actually, they are. Vitalik just sent over $1 billion to help with COVID vaccinations or whatever the case might be to India. Yeah, that sounds pretty good for the space, in my opinion, and that was off a meme token. So where we at? You know, is it good for the space? Apparently, just helped a lot of people in India just now.
But how
That's
about
the
the
way I
people
look
that
at it.
got wrecked?
The people that got wrecked. You mean the people that didn't hold? Because it seemed like everybody that held made some serious bread. Who got wrecked? The people that just that sold in the past week, right after Vitalik sold, they panicked and sold. Shit is ranked number 20 something right now.
That's crazy that Shib's ranked 20 something. Like,
So
I hate this market sometimes, bro. I can't.
yeah. And I'm not no supporter of Shiv. I'm just putting the debate out there for anybody that wants to talk against something that's succeeding without even having anything to really put against it other than, well, but it's a meme, or it's not good for the space, or it's too many tokens, or it's just hype. Okay, can you give me some real reasons? Because it's winning, so can you give me some real reasons? Give me,
Boy, this is that altcoin talk, boy.
I'm on it today.
Boy,
Everybody
hey, the
want to talk
chat.
about.
Fire
Everybody
up
want to
the
talk
chat.
about.
He
Everybody
said
want to
he ain't
talk
with the
about all
cousins
these
today. He
features.
said he ain't with the cousins today. You said, let's get it.
Hey, look, man, I gave y'all a bust down on a Uniswap V3 project that could be the next Wi-Fi. I'm out here doing that deep technical research like a lot of y'all favorite YouTubers are doing. I'm doing that too. I'm looking at stuff that's going to automatically move your liquidity through V3 pools and make sure you get the highest yield and stuff like that. I'm doing all that. But I'm also looking at the degens to find out if they got something new that's high and brewing. That's it. Let's be real. I showed a lot of people how to use Maker. People don't even know how to use Maker. I'm that guy that always taps in and checks it out. People didn't even know how to get loans, collateralized loans. They were skeptical on that back in the days. Let's be real. They were skeptical. Do I really want to put my Ethereum in this country? Well, no, just move it in place. Nah, no, don't do that. Put it on your MetaMask. Try this out. I've been the one doing that. Been the one showing people that. And that's facts from years ago. Now look, everybody, oh yeah, look, this is one of the best projects in the space that we have right now. Yeah, of course. If you would have did your research, you would have been on it early. So just do the research before you start clowning meme tokens and stuff and whatever. My man H Boogie, I got millionaires talking about I done help them out. I didn't help them out. Millionaires, real DeFi players talking about real DeFi projects. Look at it. Look at it before you put the that's a quadrillion coins. So so
Altcoin season talk. What?
I'm on fire. Let's go. I'm on fire. And I'm out here. Yo, y'all can catch me. Come catch me tomorrow whenever I'm on. Man, put y'all post notifications on. We're gonna start talking that talk. I'm not gonna be like this every day because I'm just gonna talk about it and be normal and casual and fun. But
Nah,
me
they
changing
want
it
this
up, I have to
energy.
let y'all know what's
Look, this
up.
is the energy they want. They want this energy. You talking about as soon as you started getting fired up, the likes started going up, the views started hitting. Stop it.
Hey,
Stop it.
hey man, shout out to the cousins, bro. I know what y'all on, bro. I'm definitely not trying to shut down anybody's process out here, man.
Nah,
I
man,
know what
shut down
y'all
their
on.
process. I'm
Yep.
saying.
Nah, y'all making gains, bro. ETH, just holding ETH is making significant gains. So if some people's strategies are to be conservative and just hold Bitcoin, Ethereum, and they're seeing significant gains off of that, that is completely fine. I'm really actually happy for them, bro. I welcome every single type of investor in this space. I don't welcome FUD though. So when people start FUDing stuff that's working, I'm gonna have to talk about it, bro. I'm just gonna have to talk about it. Like, okay, I don't welcome FUD, straight up. Somebody kept on. I had a admin in my chat. You know, shout out to her. She held it down for a long time, months. She's been in there from the beginning. But she kept coming through and talking FUD about Binance Smart Chain and getting into debates with people. And she got to a point where she's like, well, either you're going to have to ban them or I'm going to have to leave. I'm not banning nobody. Why? You're starting FUD about Binance Smart Chain. It's number 3, guys. Like, what are you talking about here? This thing is number 3. Like, what are we even talking about now? It's number 3. What are we talking about? I mean, it just doesn't add up to me. Like, I need some more substance behind people talking, man. Straight up, I need more substance. So, but still, nonetheless, still be careful. Binance Smart Chain, it got a level of centralization to it. I'm still paying attention to that. I still want a Polygon or an Avalanche or a Harmony
Phantom
One or a
Chili.
Phantom or something that actually has a more decentralized nature to it. I want them to start getting liquidity. Solana, but Solana has a little bit of centralization to it also. If you
Well,
do, you
yeah,
gotta
of
do your
course.
research. So I want one of these more decentralized projects to blow and be the one while Ethereum is fixing itself. That's what I want to happen. I'd rather support decentralization, but I'm not gonna like step away from centralization entirely because I'm I'm not what's those dudes like John McAfee and all, what are they called, libertarians or whatever? Is that what
Whatever
it
they
is?
call it, bro. Whatever they call it.
I ain't no libertarian, bro. That ain't me. Secret Network, Terra Luna, Don Pro Mega, what's goody? I
Yeah,
need to step my
we about to wrap
stable
this
game
up
up.
real quick soon, though. Yeah, we about to wrap this up real quick. You know me, I'm just looking at charts while my dog shits on my community for. Let me stop. Let me stop acting like
Nah,
that.
I didn't just, I never actually not one bad thing about nobody in the cousins, bro. I'm just saying, just do research before making a decision. You
Do
know,
research before you bash in the bag. That's what he said.
that's it. That's it.
So,
That's
any
it.
closing thoughts before we wrap this up?
Don't come to me about no Polkadot or Cardano without live smart contracts while you still bashing the live stuff. That's all I'm gonna say. That's my closing thoughts.
All y'all heard was blah 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 when you started yelling into the mic, it started catching off. Hey, Black Stuntman, what's up? See, I told you weren't banned. You were able to get all that good stuff in. Did we even talk about Elon, bro? We barely even talked about Elon, and our whole thumbnails is Elon hit him with the 1-2 punch. Man, let
Yeah.
Elon talk, bro. Ain't nobody worried about Elon, bro. We got here without
Hey.
Elon. We gonna be here without Elon. If y'all hold long enough, y'all gonna be thinking to yourself, man, what was Elon talking about a year ago? Don't completely forget about what Elon talking about. And there's gonna be a new person. Like the one thing I do hate about maximalists sometimes is they always champion another person that becomes a maximalist, but then bash them. And that, I think, really maximalism is what people gonna look at like, man, them Bitcoin people, they too snooty, they too sedity, they too that. That's the only problem I have with maximalism, and that's why I'm gonna be at Shitcoin Conference 2021. Just before I get out of here, we're gonna plug in my Shitcoin Conference 2021. Make sure y'all be there. I'm gonna be out there. I'm gonna be talking DeFi. If Low trying to come through too, because it seems like Low need to be coming through.
I only rock with the gems.
I'm talking about I'm talking about Miami.
I might make it, I might not,
It's all good,
I don't know.
but make sure you guys know, put it right there. Crypto culture was good. What's good with DeFi? I'm gonna be talking all things DeFi. I might get into some bridges. I might get into some Phantom. I might get into some the devil,
You're
but
gonna
we gonna
have to,
see.
bro. You're gonna have to. You can't tell all things DeFi and not have what's going on in DeFi, bro. Like,
Yeah, you
God.
already know that's got. But I'm gonna be out there chilling. So definitely got to put it out there. If you guys haven't, go ahead, follow Shitcoin Conference on Instagram. They doing their thing. Follow
What's
them
the
on
date on
Twitter.
that?
Huh?
What date?
It's the same thing as the Bitcoin conference, June 3rd and 4th.
June 3rd and 4th.
And it's gonna be literally right in the same area as the Bitcoin conference, like the same areas, bro. Now, granted,
Hey, y'all heard it here, man. June 3rd and 4th in Miami. Y'all gonna go check my guy out, man. He gonna be talking that talk on stage, man. My man be doing big things, man. I see you getting big new pictures from artists and all types of
oh yeah,
stuff. Robson is
hey,
out here, bro. He's getting crazy. Yeah.
I
Yeah,
just be
yeah,
doing this
yeah.
all day, dog.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, dog, bro. I just like having fun, bro. A lot of people don't realize that I really do this, like enjoying myself and having fun, and I mess with this. This is me. Hey. It actually looks like me too, and this is actually as black as me. So I'm actually kind of happy. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Tell me that thing ain't as black as I am. This is just the light showing.
Let me see. I gotta pull your page up, man.
You gotta
For
get it like on
everybody to
Twitter
see.
or something, cause it looked just
Oh
like
yeah, I
me.
should pull it up on Twitter.
I'm like, yeah, that dude looks look like me. Dark is just as I am.
Let's see. Nah, she did a good job, bro.
Yeah, I messed with it. Gave me my nice little patchy, cause I don't got a full beard. I got this little patchy stuff that act like it want to grow. All that good stuff, dog.
That's
But
dope. The Bitcoin crown.
oh yeah, I got the crown. Oh, and this is just the first one. I got like two more coming. Y'all not even.
Jeez, where's Bitcoin going, man? That chart not looking good.
What? Oh, bro, I told you we going. Look, bro,
Sheesh.
we going to 40, bro. We getting molested, but nah. Just for people to really see, like on the daily RSI, on the daily MACD, like we're getting bamboozled, bro. We're waiting for we'll probably get a bounce in the next 2 days. If we don't get a bounce tomorrow, we definitely will get a bounce on Tuesday. And from like Tuesday up until the weekend, we'll probably keep surging up to some resistance point before keep going down. But if you're trying to, your last chance to get out of alts is going to be this week, probably this week or next week. That's going to be your last chance to get out of alts before the real destruction comes. And that's going to be, I don't want to know how that's going to feel like. But regardless of the fact, but like I said, bro, you ain't got anything else to tell them before we let them go real quick?
Nah, man. Just make sure you guys join the Chill Squad Telegram group. That's the easiest way to actually reach me. That's where I'm telling people a lot of the plays that I've been getting in, and just keep your foot on everybody's necks, man. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Take it easy, y'all. Peace. We out of here.
Peace.